What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. I know it's been extremely long, but we're back, and why not with a banger of a video. So today we're gonna be prepping the car for paint. I think I'm gonna paint it tomorrow morning. I'm a little bit on a time crunch. I went out and bought like a bunch of stuff from Home Depot and Harbor Freight. So let me just show you guys the car real quick. We have the Acura grill. So the car was in an unfortunate accident. It was parked and someone tried to steal MDX that was parked in front of mine, and they reversed, and I guess they didn't know how to drive. They just backed into my car. But you know, it's fixed, and as you can see, the A-spec lip is gone. Someone stole it. This was literally like 2 days ago.
Whoa, hey.
So yeah, I'm looking for a A-spec front lip. If anyone has one in the market for a good price, let me know. Also looking to switch the grill as well and the hood. If anyone has a Acura, doesn't matter the year, hood, please let me know. I will buy that. So for today, we're just gonna start prepping the car. I'm gonna start working on it right now. We're gonna mask everything off. Yeah, let's just get everything started. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you guys comment for the big comeback and support the channel. Let's get it. Prep is the main key when it comes to painting cars, so just make sure that when you're masking the car, you know, you're trying your best to do it. Say bye to the cream colored TSX, because we have a new color in store, and you guys stay tuned for that. If not at the end of this video, it's going to be in another video for sure. Alright guys, so let me just show you guys the difference in the color. So this is the color of the car, right? It looks good, but then you can see the original color here. It's a huge difference. So obviously the paint faded with the weather, mostly the sun. So the original color when I first painted it was this brown, and it turned somewhat yellowish, which it doesn't look bad, but just so you can see, if anyone does do this without clear coat, just be ready for that to happen. But obviously it doesn't look bad. So all right, quick update. Got the bumper off, tail lights off, window is masked off the handles. We're gonna do this next. We got the other side masked off. Still got to put the plastic around it. Yeah, we're just gonna pretty much prep it for tomorrow's painting. Alright guys, so the sun is starting to go down. I ran out of tape masking off the car, so let me just show you guys. We got everything done in the front, the handles, ran out back here. I'm gonna just continue the vlog tomorrow. In the morning I gotta get more tape, and then we're gonna do the sanding and the laying the base color on, and hopefully the clear right after. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. update. It's currently drizzling. Got the car back in. I won't be able to paint it today unless the rain stops. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on this, which I'm going to not explain. I'm gonna just do it. And then I'll update you guys once I have the process of painting the car. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done with the base coat. I just gotta wait till it dries completely. Let me just show you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna reveal the color, but just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So here's the car, fully painted. Just waiting for it to dry for the most part. The hood needs I feel like one more coat, but everywhere else it's pretty much complete. All right guys, so it's been a few days. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see the color. I might edit that out, but this is the car painted with the clear coat on it. And I kind of did a flake effect to it, as you can see here. What's going on, guys? So show you guys the color of the car right now. As you can see here, it's finished. The only thing is that I was in a rush and I had to get the car out because I had to go to work. So I didn't really do a good job on buffing it, and also a little bit on the wet sanding, so that's gonna be in the next video. But let me just show you guys what it looks like. It is a really dark purple, kind of resembles the black. In the daytime you could definitely see the color. I just have to obviously buff it. You can see it, some of the scratches from the wet sanding. There's some orange peel still. So you can see here the car looks black, but that's the color that I went with. I have to rebuff it and repolish it. So yeah, that's gonna be in the next video. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Follow me on Instagram because everybody's been seeing a bunch of the updates on the car on my Instagram. So just in case I don't post,